as myself and international students, it's quite hard at first to make any friends because we are in a total different cultural background, language background, and maybe there are many people we are a bit scared of at first because we just think they're so weird and they are very different from what we know in our own country. But I would say the tips for making friends are very simple. The first, you can meet many people in your accommodation because many people, they just came along just the same as you. And the second one is from your course because you need to go to class every day and you definitely need to meet your classmates and maybe you will do some teamwork together. It's a good way to meet the people in your course and I'm sure you will have more topics to discuss. The third one is through the activities that student union provide, like societies, like some other activities for you to engage with each other. Like myself, I'm in Tango Society, Zumba Society, and Language Society, where I met loads of good friends. Like in Zumba, in Tango, we can just dance together, and during that time, we just talk, and it's good to know other people's story. The other one I would say is through volunteer and work. For example, you saw some interesting work in SU or you saw some volunteer opportunities. It's also a good way to meet like-minded people.
So my advice would just be to kind of put yourself out there whenever you can. There are so many opportunities you're going to get for making friends at uni from your halls or accommodation and from kind of your fellow students in the subjects you're studying and societies and just kind of so many kind of situations that you wouldn't kind of even think that you'd make friends. So yeah, just kind of put yourself out there, always be open to the opportunity of kind of making a friend with someone, because especially in first year, people are always open to like wanting to make friends with you as well. So even if you kind of get turned down a bit sometimes, don't give up hope. Keep going.
That's lovely. Were you part of any societies in particular?
No.
Good. Were you part of any societies at the university?
Yeah, so I was part of the Taylor Swift Society. I was part of the Medical Debating Union, which I started. I was part of Fuse FM, the Persian Society, and the Sci-Fi Literature Society.
And did you make loads and loads of lovely friends in those societies?
I'd say that I didn't make many close friends, but I definitely made a lot of casual friends and acquaintances that it's nice to hang out with. I think at university there's a lot of pressure to make your best friends immediately, but it's really nice to have those casual friends that you can just get a coffee with sometimes.
Lovely. Where did you make your closest friends, do you think?
I made my closest friends through my course and also my accommodation my first year. I think when you're in the same situation with some people for a long amount of time, you kind of take that opportunity to bond.